everyone, today I will explain three different genre texts in English. The texts are descriptive text, recount text, and discussion text. Genre text is a type of text has a specific social function, generic structure, and language features. Each genre has different purposes and characteristics. The first is descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text that describes a particular person, a place, or thing. The purpose of descriptive text is to give detailed information about something. The general structure of descriptive text consists of identification, descriptive. The general structure of descriptive text consists of two. The first, identification and description. The language features usually use simple present tense, adjective, and specific participant. Now, here is the example of descriptive text. The title, My Favorite Place. My favorite place is the beach near my hometown. It is a beautiful and peaceful place where many people spend their holidays. The beach has soft white sand and clear blue water. The air is fresh and the sound of the waves makes the atmosphere very relaxing. Many people come to the beach to swim, play volleyball, or enjoy the sunset. Around the beach, there are many small cafes and coconut trees that make the scenery more beautiful. From this text, we can identify the genre structure. The first, identification. Identification is introducing the beach, and descriptionnya explaining the characteristic of the beach. And then the language feature used are adjectives such as beautiful, peaceful, fresh, and relaxing. The text also use simple present tense. In my opinion, descriptive text is interesting because it helps reader imagine place, people, and or objective clearly. And next, recount text. Recount text is a text that tells past experiences or events in chronological order. The generic structure of recount text consists of three. First, orientation, two, events, and the last, reorientation. The language feature usually use past tense, action verbs, pronouns, and adverb phrases. Now, here is the example of recount text. Is the title, My Holiday Experience. Last holiday, I went to Jakarta with my family. We stayed 3 days. On the first day, we visited Monas and took many pictures. Then we went to shopping at a big mall near the hotel. And on the second day, we visited Ancol beach and enjoyed the beautiful scenery. And we also tried many delicious foods. On the last day, we returned home happily. It was a very enjoyable holiday because I could spend quality time with my family. From this text, we can identify genre structure. Perfect orientation is introducing when, where, and with whom. Then event, telling activities in chronological order. And the last, the orientation is closing statement about the experiment. The language feature used are past tense and action verbs such as went, visit, enjoy, and return. In my opinion, recount text is usually because it allows people to share memories and experiences with others. And then the last is material about discussion text. Discussion text is a text that presents different opinions about an issue, including advantage and disadvantage. The generic structure of discussion text consists of three. First, opening statement, two, arguments for and against, and the last conclusion or feature usually using verbs, connective phrase, modal auxiliaries, and present tense. Now here the example of discussion text. Is it titled Online Learning? Online learning has become very common in recent years. However, many people have different opinions about it. Some people believe that online learning is effective because students can study anywhere, and access many learning sources from the internet. It is also flexible and safe transportation costs. On the other hand, some people think online learning is less effective because students may lose focus easily. In addition, poor internet connection can disrupt the learning process. In conclusion, online learning has both advantage and disadvantage. Students should use technology wisely to make online learning more effective. From this text, we can identify the general structure. The first opening statement is introducing the issue, and arguments is advantage and disadvantage, and the last conclusion. The language features used are thinking, verbs such as believe and think, connective verbs such as however and on the other hand, and modal auxiliaries such as should. And my opinion, discussion text important because it teaches reader to see different perspectives before making conclusion. And that's all about descriptive text, recurrent text, and discussion text. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.